In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select all tasks ClickUp. If you've ever needed to update, move, or manage a bunch of tasks at once, selecting them all in one go can save a ton of time. I'll walk you through the quickest way to do it and share a few tips so you don't miss anything important along the way. Start by opening ClickUp and navigating to the space where your tasks live. A space is the high-level area that contains your folders, lists, and views. Use the sidebar to choose the correct space. Then open the specific list or any view where your tasks are displayed. Make sure you're looking at a list-style view that actually shows your tasks in rows. That's where you'll find the controls you need. If your view looks different or you don't see a header row, switch to a list view so the task header is visible. Once you're in the right place, look to the top of the task list for the column header labeled Tasks. This header sits at the very top of the first column. Click directly on the word Tasks to open the selection menu. This click reveals bulk selection options designed for managing multiple items efficiently. If the menu doesn't appear, confirm you click the header text itself, not an individual task, and that you're in a view that supports list headers. From the menu that appears, choose Select All. ClickUp will instantly highlight every task that's currently visible in your list. You'll see a selection bar or confirmation showing how many tasks are selected, and you're ready to apply bulk actions if needed. If you prefer more control, you can also select tasks manually, one by clicking the checkbox next to each task's name. This is helpful when you only want a subset of items instead of everything in the list. A couple of tips to make this work exactly as you expect. Selection respects whatever you're looking at, so filters, groups, and the current view matter. If you have filters applied, for example, to show only open tasks, Select All will only capture the tasks that are currently visible. If you want to include more tasks, clear or adjust your filters first, then use Select All again. Also, keep in mind that your permissions determine what you can do after selecting tasks. If certain bulk actions aren't available, check with your Workspace admin. And that's it. Head to your space, click the task header to open the menu, then choose Select All or pick Task individually if you prefer. You're now set to manage your tasks in bulk with confidence.